Life is about choices. Staying in our comfort zone or taking the leap of faith towards something greater. As an employee for more than 12 years, I realized that I wanted something more. Something that I can build on my own. So I took the risk to start my journey in I Am Worldwide. Hindi siya madali. Walang kasiguraduhan, maraming doubts, at maraming challenges. But I realize life itself is risky. The question is, will you let your fear hold you back? Or will you use every challenge as a stepping stone to grow? I choose to embrace the struggle, to keep learning, and to trust the process. And now, little by little, I see progress. I see hope. I see proof that I'm on the right path. Success doesn't happen overnight, but as long as I keep moving forward, I know that I'm getting closer to my dreams. Kaya nga kung may pangarap ka, just start. Kahit mahirap, kahit challenging, ang mahalaga, kumilos ka na ngayon. Hindi kailangan perfect ang simula mo. Ang mahalaga ay may progress ka kahit unti-unti. Sa huli, hindi mo pagsisisihan ang pagsubok, pero pagsisisihan mo ang hindi mo ginawa. Kaya laban lang. Trust the process. At darating din ang araw, mararating mo ang tagumpay na pinapangarap mo. If you have a dream, remember, you are capable. You are strong. You are meant for greatness. Trust yourself. Trust the process. And most of all, trust that every effort you put in today will pay off in the future. Keep going. Keep believing. The best is yet to come. I am Ann Molina, Agent of Hope, and I am Worldwide.